Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set outside margin of text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and take a text box. Now we want to set outside margin of this text box. Click the text box and go to the shape format menu. Then click the shape outline option and choose any color outline. Now I select the red color. Then again go back the outline option and go to wide option. Then choose 6pt. Now we can see we set outside margin to this text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.